Mastering reflexive pronouns. Dodge common mistakes. Hello language learners. Today, we'll be diving into the world of reflexive pronouns. The aim is to not only understand what they are, but also to learn how to avoid common mistakes when using them. So buckle up and let's begin. Reflexive pronouns are special kind of pronouns that we use when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or thing. They end in self for singular or selves for plural. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Remember, reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object are the same. One of the most common mistakes people make is using reflexive pronouns instead of personal pronouns. For instance, they might say, John and myself went to the park, when it should be, John and I went to the park. Another common mistake is using reflexive pronouns after prepositions of place. For example, he put the books beside himself, when it should be, he put the books beside him. Rule 1. Avoid using reflexive pronouns as subjects or objects. Always use personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, unless the subject and the object are the same. Rule 2. Be careful with prepositions. After prepositions of place, use personal pronouns, not reflexive ones. Rule 3. Verb plus reflexive pronoun. Some verbs in English are typically followed by reflexive pronouns such as enjoy, hurt, and behave. Make sure you use the reflexive pronoun when needed. For example, he hurt himself while playing football. That's it for today. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion you might have had about reflexive pronouns. By keeping these simple rules in mind, you can avoid common mistakes and improve your English language skills. Remember, practice is key, so keep using these tips in your day-to-day English usage. Until next time, happy learning!